Welcome to the Manual Proportioning Unit installation video. You will see how easy it is to put an MPU to work for you. The entire installation process should take less than 15 minutes. First, examine the box for obvious shipping damage immediately upon receipt. Open a claim with the shipper if damage is present. Remove the MPU from its shipping container and place on a sturdy work surface, usually a bench in the mixing room. A bench height of 28 to 36 inches is ideal. The MPU comes fully assembled. You need only cut the plastic wire ties holding the pickup tubes in place during shipping and affix the graduation strips of your choice. 3 different mixing ratios can be accommodated on the MPU: 2:1, 3:1, and 4:1. Use the correct ratio for the product you will install on the MPU. The mixing ratio is determined by where the pumps are attached to the lifting arm. Use these holes for a 2:1 ratio. Use these holes for a 3:1 ratio. Use these holes for a 4:1 ratio. To move the pumps, simply remove the pin from the yoke, reposition the pump, and reinsert the pin. When changing the position of a pump, it is important to verify the pistons of both pumps will fully bottom out. Slight adjustments of the yoke may be necessary. Included in the box are cylinder graduation strips, one for each of the 3 mixing ratios. Select the graduation strip appropriate for the product. Remove the adhesive paper backing. While holding the lifting arm in the fully up position, position the graduation strip on the front pump cylinder so the uppermost line is even with the piston bottom. Press the strip into place. Just as with any new piece of painting equipment, it is necessary to flush the MPU with clean solvent before first use. Flushing the MPU is easy. Fill 3 cans with a small amount of Sikkens High Performance Reducer Fast, or acetone in VOC regulated areas. 8 ounces in each can is sufficient. Place the cans on the machine and fit the pickup tubes in place, making sure they are in contact with the bottom of the can. Remove the wetting cup. Place a suitable container under the dispensing head. Open both A-component valves. Prime the pumps by giving the lifting arm 3 short little pumps. About an inch of piston travel is needed. Then give the lifting arm several full up and down strokes to work solvent through the system. Return the lifting arm to the fully down position when finished. Remove the solvent cans from the machine. Properly dispose of the flushing solvent. Load the product cans. Hardener is placed in the rear single can location. While being careful not to kink, fit the pickup tube to the can, making sure the filter on the end of the tube is in contact with the bottom of the can. Position the can closure in place. Do the same with the A component cans. Again, with a suitable container under the dispensing head, give the lifting arm 3 short strokes to prime the pumps. Draw a small charge and dispense to remove traces of flushing solvent. Once both cylinders are drawing material without an air gap between fluid and piston, you are ready to go. If the MPU is not going to be used right away, do 2 additional actions. First, pour 1/2 inch of clean Sikkens High Performance Reducer Fast, or acetone in VOC regulated areas, into the wetting cup. Fit the wetting cup to the dispensing head. The solvent in the wetting cup will prevent solidifying of product in the nozzles. It is important not to overfill the wetting cup, causing the solvent to come into direct contact with the nozzles. Secondly, verify both A component valves are fully closed to prevent siphoning from one can to the other. The wetting cup will be removed and the valves opened upon next use of the MPU. See? That was easy!